This audio is used for the transcriber test at Go Transcript. This audio is used for the transcriber test at Go Transcript.
So after you mentioned at some point second, third expatriation, so how people see the world after going for 5 countries, for example?
Well, I think you realise how small the world is. I think personally, I think you realise that there's a lot of, even in very different cultures, there's a lot of common things, common values that make people work and make for successful projects. So you start to realise that, people are a species. Although there's very different cultures and lots of different values, we're a species and there's a lot of common things.
Audio is used for the transcribe. Transcriber test, Go Transcript.
So after you mentioned at some point second, third expatriation, so how people see the world after going for 5 countries, for example?
Well, I think you realise how small the world is. I think personally, I think you realise that there's a lot of, even in very different cultures, there's a lot of common things, common values that make people work and make for successful projects. So you start to realise that, people are a species, although there's very different cultures and lots of different values, we're a species and there's a lot of common things. And so it probably helps you focus more on what it takes to be successful in managing people, because you've had a broader experience in terms of different types of people, different cultures, and different values, that you start by thinking it's all completely different. Even, especially if you go to a country with a different language, and you think about communication is the most significant thing in the beginning while you work out how to communicate.